Hey, it's John from Freedom again. Hey, you know that frustrating feeling you get when you go and you export some data from your favorite ERP like QuickBooks or Bill.com, what have you, and you try to sum the information or do a formula with a date and nothing happens because it's not recognized as a number, and then you feel like you have to retype in all the numbers? Well, there's an easy fix that takes a matter of seconds to deal with it, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So here we go. So I've exported my data, and this goes, and down here at the bottom, if you look at all these numbers and then you look, it says 19,052. Well, there's no way that is all those total 19,000. So what we're going to do, we're going to just click on this column, and then we're going to go to our text to columns feature. And this is, you may recognize this when you want to parse data with a comma in it, or a period or some sort of character, so that you can move it across columns. And in this case, all we're going to do, instead of going through all the gyrations and the next buttons and everything, we click that column, we just hit finish, boom, look at that, all done. And we've got that number jumped up because these are all recognized as numbers. Also, if you go over to your date column, you're going to see, and you click your home, you see this is general, it's not recognized as a date. So what you're going to do is same thing, click that column, go to data, text to columns, finish, boom. Now we're going to click on that and we're going to go home, and voila, it's date. So that's how you do that. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Again, we try to look at all the comments and try to produce some videos that will help you out. These are intended to be short videos that can help you out. We do some tutoring, and we can help you one-on-one if you'd like. Shoot us an email, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.